Good morning, my dear students. This is Richa Sharma, Maths teacher, Bright Scholar, Senior Secondary School. I welcome you all to digital learning. Our today's topic for Maths is fraction. I'll be explaining few concepts of fraction to you. So let's start up. Our first topic is how to change a mixed fraction or a mixed number into improper fraction. Here you can see a mixed number. In this mixed number, how many whole number part you can see? There are two whole number part. And there is 2 by 3 as fractional part. So if I see both of them together, in this mixed number we have 2 wholes and 2 thirds. Now we can represent this mixed number with the help of picture. See here that in this there are each whole is having 3 parts because there is 3 in the denominator. So we can make a picture and split it into 3 equal parts. So to make the picture for 2 wholes, it will look something like this. Here we have drawn 2 wholes, each with 3 equal parts. And for 2 by 3 we have drawn a picture with 3 equal parts but colored only 2 parts out of that. So if we want to find out the improper fraction in the form of picture, then it will be like this. You count all the colored parts together. 3 plus 3 plus 2, it will give you 8. So total part will be now 8 and denominator will remain 3. So this is the method of converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. But this is with the help of picture. Now let us move further to find some easy method for this conversion. Let us take one example in another way. This is the direct method. Here what we have to do, 4 wholes with each with 2 parts. So 4 times 2. 4 times 2 gives us 8. Now we have to add the numerator to it. It becomes 8 plus 1, 9. And denominator will remain same. So the improper fraction will be 9 by 2. Here we just have to do 4 times 2 plus the numerator and denominator will remain same. So this is the direct method of converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now next topic is making equivalent fraction. Here you can see I have taken a strip and divided it into 2 equal parts. Now same length strip is divided into 4 equal parts. Now into 6 equal parts, 8 equal parts and 10 equal parts. Here you observe that length of the strip is same but number of parts are increasing. Now I will color some part of these strips. Just have a look at it. In first strip I have colored half part of it. So to write the fraction, shaded part on the top, total number of parts at the bottom, so fraction is 1 by 2. In case of second strip, when I shaded half part, it will look like this. So the fraction will be 2 by 4. For third strip, by shading half part, it will be 3 by 6. For fourth strip, if I shade half of it, fraction will be 4 by 8. And for fifth, it will be 5 by 10. Now you observe closely that in each strip, half of the strip is shaded, but because of the number of partitions, different fraction we are getting. Now what you have observed that all these fractions are equivalent fractions. So the rule is equivalent fractions can only be made by multiplying or dividing. Means whatever I do to the numerator, that is the top, I have got to do with the denominator, that is the bottom. This is the basic rule. So if I want to find the equivalent fraction for 1 by 2, what I have to do? I have to multiply the numerator and the denominator as well. So as to find the second equivalent fraction, what number should I take? Yes, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 2. Then I get the equivalent fraction as 2 by 4. Similarly, moving on further, if I multiply it with 3, I'll get 3 by 6. If I multiply it with 4, I'll get 4 by 8. And if I multiply it with 5, I'll get 5 by 10. Let us take one more example. 3 by 4. So what I can do, I can either multiply or divide. Now here division by same number is not possible. So what we do, we'll do multiplication. What is the rule? Whatever I do to the top, I have got to do to the bottom. Means multiply both numerator and denominator by a same number. So here by multiplying by 2, I am getting the equivalent fraction 6 by 8. I hope you learned the method now. Now next topic is how to find the reciprocal of a mixed number. Reciprocal means reverse of a fraction. So how to find it? Can you see something in this picture? That 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 2. How is it possible? This is the reciprocal. How to find? When you have a fraction, you can create its reciprocal by flipping the fraction. So what you have to do, you just have to flip the fraction. Just have to flip it. Now if the fraction is a mixed fraction, then what to do? First you have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. The same method that you have learnt in the first topic of today. 3 times 7 plus 2 gives you 23 and denominator will remain same. Now you got the improper fraction, and to find its reciprocal, simply flip it. So the reciprocal is 7 by 23. Now here important point to keep in mind is this, that when we multiply the fraction and its reciprocal, their product must always be 1. So 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 2 will give you 1. This is the rule to find the reciprocal. Now next topic is adding fractions with different denominators. See, when the denominators are same, we call such fractions as like fraction. Then we keep the denominator same and just add the numerators. But what if denominators are different? That is what we have to learn. See, I have taken two fractions, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. What we have to do? We have to make a common denominator. Now, how this 2 can be converted into 4? With the help of multiplication. So, what we will do? We will find the equivalent fraction for 1 by 2. How 2 becomes 4? By multiplying it with 2. So in equivalent fraction you have learnt whatever you do to the top, you have to do it to the bottom. So if you are multiplying the denominator with 2, you have to do the same with the numerator. You have to multiply the numerator also with 2. So you get the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 as 2 by 4. Now you observe closely that both are having common denominators and we have changed them into like fractions. So now it is easy to add for you. You just have to add the numerators 1 plus 2. So the answer is 3 by 4. And you can do it with the help of pictures only. You have drawn a picture for 1 by 4 and a picture of 1 by 2. And when you club both of them, you will get the fraction as 3 by 4 or 3/4. So this is the method of adding unlike fractions. Same you can do with the help of in the case of mixed fractions. For mixed fraction, first you have to convert them into improper fraction, then again make the like denominators and then add. And this method is also same in case of subtraction. Same method will continue, only in the end you have to subtract. So let's take a quick recap. First you have learned how to convert mixed fraction into improper, multiply the whole number with the denominator plus add the numerator to find out the numerator of improper fraction, and denominator will remain same. Second, to find equivalent fraction, the rule is whatever I do to the numerator, I have got to do with the denominator, either by multiplying or by dividing. Third, to find the reciprocal, you just have to flip the fraction. Fourth, to add unlike fractions, first make the denominators common, find the equivalent fraction and then add up when you get the like fractions. I hope you have learned or understood all the 4 concepts. Thanks for watching. Stay at home, stay safe, take care.